You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases in French from French. How do you say, "What is your name?" in French? Comment vous appelez-vous? So let's break it down. This is the formal way of asking the question, using the vous as the you. That's for people that you don't know really well, or you don't know at all. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment, meaning how, vous is you. Appelez-vous is a way of phrasing a sentence in French. Comment vous appelez-vous? It's difficult to explain. It deserves a whole lesson. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.